Bluehost is a major name in web hosting, powering more than 2 million websites. Bluehost does a great job at simplifying the process of setting up a website for beginners, especially if you want to use WordPress. All plans include a free domain for the first year, great uptime, a drag-and-drop website builder, and a free SSL certificate. Bluehost has one of the best security measures on the market. All Bluehost security features are good and will help you cut back hours of tweaking your website. Another excellent feature of Bluehost is its extensive and fast customer support base. Customer support is important for any web hosting service to have, but finding a service that has fast and efficient support can be hard to find. But Bluehost offers just that, and most users have said the customer support is very helpful when needing immediate support. There is a high chance you will connect to Bluehost's live chat system within 5 minutes of waiting. All of its support base is available 24/7, so you don't need to worry about figuring out time zones. Bluehost also offers phone and email support, but the waiting times vary. Not only is Bluehost the most popular web hosting service on the market for its outstanding features and products, but it's also because it's so incredibly easy to use, which is an important feature to have, because web hosting can already be confusing to some people. As Bluehost has an easy onboarding process that takes a few minutes to complete to get your website up and running. It will ask you to fill out a form that includes your website goals, what you want to add to your site, and what you want your name and the tagline of your site to be. After answering these questions, you get to choose a theme of your choice from the Bluehost marketplace. And then it automatically installs WordPress for your ultimate convenience. All you have to worry about is customization, while Bluehost takes care of the back end and the technical things. The last thing that's great about Bluehost is that it offers very high-performance servers to all users purchasing the Pro plan. Bluehost offers quite a few pricing plans for individual website goals and needs. It offers 3 main business niches with different pricing plans according to said niches. These include shared hosting, online stores, and website builder. The shared hosting plan offers the most flexibility and is most popular with Bluehost users. The thing about Bluehost pricing is that it's much cheaper on a 36-month plan instead of a 12-month plan. The shared hosting plan has 4 pricing options, including the basic option, which is $5 on a 12-month term and $3 on a 36-month term. The Plus option, which is $8 on a 12-month term and $6 on a 36-month term. The Choice Plus option, which is $8 on a 12-month term and $6 on a 36-month term. And last, the Pro option, which is $19 on a 12-month term and $14 on a 36-month term. As you can hear, the pricing for 36-month terms is much cheaper than 12-month terms. Bluehost also offers a 24-month term, but that's only a tad cheaper than the 12-month option. All pricing plans include a free domain for 1 year, free CDN, free SSL certificate, custom themes, and 24/7 support. The Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plans have unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, and free Office 365 for 30 days. The Bluehost Online Store plan feels a lot less complicated than its shared hosting plans. These specific plans are best for e-commerce stores, where you can build, promote, and start selling through your store that's packed with WooCommerce tools. This plan has 2 pricing options for 12-month and 36-month terms, including the standard option, which is $16 on a 12-month term and $13 on a 36-month term, and the premium option, which is $33 on a 12-month term, and $25 on a 36-month term. Both plans come with unlimited products, WooCommerce installed, 24/7 customer support, payment processing, discount codes, and CodeGuard Backup Basic. The Website Builder plan focuses on users who are building their website through WordPress. It allows you to purchase a plan that offers security, speed, and support for your professional WordPress website. This plan has 3 pricing options, all on 36-month terms, including the Build option, which is $10 for a month, and the Grow option, which is $15 for a month. And last, the Scale option, which is $28 for a month. All plans include top features like one WordPress website, more than 200 global edge servers, free SSL, staging environment, and best for up to 50,000 visitors per month. You can also expect daily scheduled backups, malware detection, and domain privacy and protection. Bluehost offers quite a few web hosting-related products that cater to most users. Bluehost and WordPress go hand in hand, and there's no better way to run your website than with its official WordPress hosting. Bluehost crafted this specific hosting package to boost your website, with resources and tools that seamlessly integrate with WordPress. With maximum compatibility with any WordPress website, this hosting plan will work best for blogs, websites, or online stores. Bluehost offers features like automatic WordPress installation, automatic WordPress updates, and Google My Business verification. You also get to choose from a unique range of themes and templates from the Bluehost marketplace that is specifically tailored to WordPress. You get full design freedom with customization features and easy-to-install plugins. Some other features of WordPress hosting include Microsoft Office 365, free domain for 1 year, secure login setup, and 24/7 WordPress hosting support. This hosting package has different pricing plans to the Website Builder plans. You can get specific WordPress hosting under 3 plans on 36-month terms, including the Basic option, which is $3 for a month, the Plus option, which is $6 for a month, and the Choice Plus option, which is $6 for a month.